check this out. I want to share with you some cool automation system I built that can help you also generate thousands of leads automatically, send them messages, and you can build a huge multi-channel, omni-channel outreach system. Hey, what's up? Today I want to show you how you can get 10 extra booked calls each month with no audience, without writing content, and without paid ads using some lead generation automation bot that you can use. And I want to share with you how cool is it and how it works. So first things first, before we promote our offer, our service, our product, we need a list of leads, right? We need to get a list of 6,000 to 9,000 qualified leads. What does it mean, qualified leads? It means people from the location we want. It means people that are interested in buying our thing, and it's like in our niche and so on. So the way to build a list of these people is to build based on behavior of our ideal customers. So it can be tools they are going to use. So let's say I'm targeting social media. I'm building a social media tool. I'm going to maybe take all the followers of buffer.com, the tool. They are going to follow, they are going to, before they buy something, they're gonna have some certain behavior. So I'm gonna think, okay, what's their behavior before they are gonna buy? So they are gonna follow certain pages. They are gonna read some types of content. They are gonna follow certain creators and so on. And based on this, we are gonna build a list. Um, we are gonna export it and we are gonna filter it. So I wanna show you how I did it for my system, and it's actually pretty cool. So the first thing is I have a list of all the people that I want, all the scrapes. The reason why it's important is so later on, first of all, I know how many leads I got from each source, who is the source, like where it came from. So later on, I can double down on this, how many booked calls came from this, and so on. And I'm probably gonna blur some of these things here, but if we'll take a look, you can see here the total reviewed 300, total 300, reviewed 100, sent 31, responses 1, 4 responses, 1 booked call, and so on. And also we can see here that I attached a campaign to each one of these. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna automatically send. You don't have to automatically send, and you can build it first manually, see that it converts with your ideal customer, and then you can send more and more to scale it basically. And we're gonna get a list like this. Let me show you the list in live actually. So this is all the people that I sent messages recently. Maybe you're watching this and you're one of them. And we can take a look here and you can see co-founder, founder, CEO, founder, building, CEO, CTO twice, entrepreneur. And we can also take a look at the locations: Vancouver, Hong Kong, San Diego, Seattle, Barcelona. So I'm targeting people in the US and Europe, um, maybe Hong Kong and so on. Like, so we start and we get this list, okay? If we'll take a look, what I'm doing is I filter by location, job title, company name, DMs open, and if we'll dive a little bit to the ranking system here, you can decide on your ranking and so on. But here, basically, I have like tier 1 keywords, tier 2 keywords, tier 3 keywords. I also have the locations that I want. And basically, I created like 3 ranks: rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. And then me or VA is going, and what the VA is doing is going to one of the tweets here. It's putting like rank. If it's rank 1, give me all the rank 1. If it's rank 2, give me all the rank 2. If it's rank 3, give me all the rank 3. So then, I'm not wasting my time on, like, I start from the top and then I go down, and later on I can also test the new filters. I can say like, okay, maybe this keyword is good, maybe it's not, blah, blah, blah. So this is how we get the list. And then what you can do is you can send 2 to 300 DMs per day with automation and AI. Now you don't have to send DMs if you don't want, but basically what you can do is you can take the lead here, you can find their LinkedIn, and actually it's something funny that it's happening, or not funny, but something you can use here is if it contains LinkedIn, then show me all the people with LinkedIn in the bio. And yeah, you see here, like all these people with LinkedIn. So I can then take these people, I already qualify them, take them, find them on LinkedIn, find their email with some data enrich and send them messages. Okay, so I can do this omni-channel. I can send Twitter, email, LinkedIn, and build this kind of sequence. And yeah, basically, and that's how you generate the traffic. Now, then, in terms of traffic conversion, you have this, let's say, for example, one of the responses I got using this system is, hey, Jonathan, thank you for reaching out, blah, blah, blah. Like in this case, I told them, so qualify free value and get on a call. So in this case, what I'm doing is like, okay, I'm giving them like kind of an information like, do you want this video? Do you want this resource? Do you want this free list? Do you want this thing? When they say yes, automatically it says, yes, I'm qualified. I have this problem and it might be interesting. I send them the video. They liked what I sent, blah, blah, blah. We go on a call and so on. So that's like the three-step process, like get the list, reach them out, and convert them on the DMs and so on. And have this kind of a process. Now, the more you pump, the more you can send, and so on. So if you want help to build a system, if you want some tips on how to, like, if it's smart to send on Twitter, or what's the best channel for you to send right now, or if you want to set this system for your business, or you want to set some other marketing automation system that maybe you are right now doing something manual in your business with a VA and so on, and you think you can optimize the time and so on, and maybe you want to save time, save costs, we can take some of it and put it on Airtable. We can take some of it, use some automations, use some AI. Another cool example here is that I can take all the websites here, I can scrape their information like the website data. I can then take it to ChatGPT and tell it to write some things. Of course, it depends on costs and so on. But yeah, if any of these things is interesting for you, you can just send me a DM on Boring SaaS Guy on Twitter X. So it's Boring SaaS Guy, or you can also send me an email on jonathanmiser@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next times.